And that's the spectator. Just like,
Harrison, do that to me right in the back. Guys, do you want to see what I've done to his back? Look, pass me the camera, guys. Turn around. I've done. No, I'm not gonna pull the trigger because I'm showing the guys what I've done. No, move. I've done that and shot right into his shoulder. Right. Now he gets to do it to me. Hold it. You hold it. Try aiming my Harrison. Aim on the gun. Wait. Right on my shoulder. Oh, there. That stinks. That's worse than paintballing.
I know.
No, I think that's worse than paintballing. If I call him in my eye, I can just shoot him instead of
Hey.
Captain America.
Wanna get shot again, bruv?
Keep him down, bro.
Wait.
Let's see how far, guys. Come on, let's get off the trampoline. Let's see how far this baby can do.
Right.
We both have 2 shots each. Maybe a whole ammo of it. I don't know. Maybe.
Ryan, take the camera.
I'll have to take camera, boys. Do it right from. Guys, so the arm's going to be on here. You have to stand from behind here.
Oh.
We'll go over there and see in a minute.
Oh.
We have to use the whole thing.
Yeah, like the whole ammo. There's the master reloading.
Swag, boy!
Here.
No, Harrison, I'm reloading.
The reload of the Swag Master, brother. Oh, good.
Look
Good.
at that. It hit the...
Yeah. Swag Master reloading again. Yeah.
Ping!
Swagalicious.
My bullet didn't go. Right, I'm going to redo that bullet again, guys. I didn't shoot. I don't know why. That was crap, wasn't it?
Yeah. Stupid bullet.
Let's go see. In a minute, let's go see how far these bullets go.
And then it's Swagalicious Master go.
And then it's really nice, guys.
Go see the bullets.
Let's go see how far they went. That was the lowest one. Yeah. And then let's go see Harrison, pick them up. Yeah. Well, Harrison, pick them up, put them in here, because we can move through here. Guys.
Swim there.
You see how far the furthest one?
Oh!
Come on.
I think furthest one is that one over there.
Guys. The first one, guys, is right at the back of my garden. Look, guys, it went from this tiny little bullet. Harrison.
Yeah.
Come back. Harrison.
Yeah.
Harrison, put it on the trampoline to Harrison so he can't get to it. Guys, this tiny bullet.
Yeah.
Hold up. This tiny bullet from this gun, a shotgun, really long range. Well, it is now. Came from.
Are you filming?
Harrison, put me now. Came from here. All the way, guys, to in here, which is a very long distance, as you can see. Now, it's Granny 9 to go.
Did you see me look?
Don't shoot yet. Let me sort this out.
Kick it, ready?
I'm just checking, guys, if you've got all the bullets here. We should have. Anyway. There we go. It may look like there's 2 missing, but there isn't. Those 2 are in the gun already.
You dare shoot me?
We won't. There you go. See how far these can go.
Hey, baby.
That one went straight in the house.
That one went in the house, guys. See how far it went compared to mine.
Oh, sorry.
Look how far. Next 2 bullets. On the go.
Oh.
How do you feel about the shots? Harrison, let me move up and I'll stand here. Shoot! Shoot! Oh! I landed over there, guys. One's there. No! That one rolled. Harrison, one of them rolled into the gap, but I got it out. Guys, that one rolled into that gap. Stupid thing. You ready to shoot?
Yeah.
Shoot! Whoa! I went holy crap, morning.
This one is in the house at the moment.
Yeah, let's see if it's further than mine. Mine's right at the back of the thing. Like Harrison.
Yeah.
It's proper far back. It was right, you know, like against the wall.
I think Harrison's going to win this.
Yeah, but I've got it further so far.
Plus, you haven't seen it yet.
Yeah, okay, mine, you're going to win.
Mine went right at the back of the actual thing. Whoa!
Can I shoot?
We'll do a special in a minute of my sister.
Yeah!
It's true.
Ah!
Sort it out.
Jimmy, you okay? You okay?
There goes, sorry guys, I had to sort it out.
Ah, give me 2. The boing boing. How many times have you got
2 or 3,
there? When can I do it after?
maybe. The bullet's still in there. Wait, maybe swap. No, because next time it'll go in the big in that one. So leave it back in that top one.
Ready?
And it may work. Put that proper back.
Ready, stay there.
You ready?
Yeah.
Shoot!
Wait, I'm gonna quickly just try the other one.
Just quick. Oh! Okay, he's going to try the other one. That's a joke. Still didn't work.
That's a stupid bullet.
Guys, the bullet's going to go anyway. I'll throw it.
Now it's Ryan's sister's turn.
Yeah.
No, still got 2 bullets.
Oh yes.
Just still got 2 birds.
Yeah, buddy.
You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Yo.
Come on. Seriously.
Smell the gun.
Shoot.
You hold the camera. You hold the camera.
There we go.
I'm just shooting the gun out.
He's sitting down. See? Ready?
Wait.
No, I was testing the thing. Seems like it does work.
You're not cold?
The gun just doesn't like me.
Right, there we go.